So where some people look at this and they see a simple sandbox, educators are going to look at it and see how many different ways and how many different concepts can I use to teach. The first thing that I look at when I look at this ramp is I think of gravity and I think of different forces and experiments that I can use that way. But really, the best place and the best way to utilize this space is to come outside and teach some weathering and erosion and deposition. To look at ways that the earth shapes the earth with all of the different forces that we have. You can build some landforms out here. You can hook a water hose up to it. You can look at some runoff, some dry riverbeds. You can see the different shapes, build it up. Have younger grades come out and actually mark the different landforms, and then the older grades can do some measuring and see how they change as time goes on. We could even use it for soil. We can look at sand and we can maybe plant a plant in here and see why does it grow or why does it not grow when it's growing over there.